In 2012, the European Commission released a roadmap to achieving a competitive low-carbon economy by 2050. The European Commission, in this context, acknowledges the capacity for renewable energy production of the regions around the North Sea. Energy Vision North Sea region is an Interreg 4B project with partners from 6 different regions around the North Sea. As a cluster project, Energy Vision analysed 9 renewable energy projects undertaken during the last Interreg programme period. The partners identified key results in relation to future energy challenges. This analysis contributes to an integrated vision on how the North Sea region can most efficiently assist European energy transition. Today's energy system relies on large-scale production facilities and distribution networks, using limited subterranean stocks of oil and gas. However, a renewable energy system builds on fundamentally different principles. Firstly, a renewable energy system will be based upon a combination of complementary renewable energy sources such as wind, solar and tidal or blue energy. Secondly, we see the development of small-scale and decentralized energy production and consumption. Households, neighborhoods and cities start to produce electricity for local consumption and by means of intelligent local electricity grids. Most renewable energy sources are inflexible. The amount of energy produced from these resources at any time is determined by forces of nature. Sunny or windy days might lead to overproduction, yet on other days the system must rely upon stored capacity. Taken together, the characteristics of large and small-scale renewable energy production cause fluctuations, creating a volatile European electricity grid. This requires technological solutions for balancing and storage. The rapid increase of offshore wind production makes the development of renewable energy balancing and storage capacity more urgent. Applying the power-to-gas concept is a potential solution, where, for example, surplus electricity is used to produce hydrogen via electrolysis. Green gas produced in this way can be stored in the existing gas infrastructure and used at times of higher energy demand. By the additional use of biomass conversion techniques, the existing gas infrastructure can also be used to green up the natural gas stream with sources of renewable energy. Power to heat is an alternative concept. In the longer term, underground gas storage or carbon capture and reuse will further increase the flexibility of the renewable energy system. This shows the importance of promoting development of different renewable energy technologies and their integration to achieve an efficient North Sea energy system. Energy Vision North Sea region is an Interreg 4B project defining the additional value of 9 renewable energy projects in relation to the development of an integrated renewable North Sea energy system. The project Answer developed tools to stimulate energy efficiency and introduce renewable energy and shows that a low-carbon economy can be created in local communities. Arbor has proven new biomass conversion technologies and shows that new international market regulations must be set up to improve the biomass market. Cradle to Cradle Islands has shown that the deployment of renewable energy can be significantly increased through local commitment and participation. E-Harbours demonstrated the role of increased flexibility within a wider integrated energy system. Flexibility of the energy system in itself is now appreciated and therefore stimulating new renewable energy business cases. ENER-Coast has focused on operative bioenergy supply chains and mobilization strategies, development of sustainable business models promotes implementation of local development strategies and commercial mobilization of bioenergy resources. Hansa Energy Corridor noted that an optimal international energy market requires a fuller understanding of national markets, and that only multi-level cooperation can achieve future system integration. Innovative foresight planning has delivered tools for shaping the future. Focusing on offshore wind, IFP has developed concrete recommendations for the development of the North Sea region supply chain. North Sea Sustainable Energy Planning made it known that integrated energy planning is the heart of a region's sustainable development. North Sea Supply Connect has built a network of SMEs to facilitate renewable energy business. This project stated the need for more EU focus on SMEs to speed up international innovation processes. For future development, Energy Vision North Sea region recommends focus on increased social awareness, policy consensus, intensive cooperation within the triple helix of knowledge institutions, private and public organizations. It also recommends increased effort to involve energy-related SMEs and small businesses, and last but not least, demand-driven education at all levels. All in all, a future North Sea energy system will prove to be the complex linking together of different technologies. The role of the Interreg B programme North Sea region in supporting the development of energy transition enablers and an integrated North Sea energy system is expected to be highly significant. Energy Vision North Sea region identified the following building blocks to form the foundation for future energy cooperation. Use the North Sea's existing oil and gas infrastructure capacity for balancing and storage. Speed up onshore wind turbine deployment with local community participation models. Develop demand-driven education at college and academic level to resolve human capital issues. Focus on energy production and storage within households, the so-called e-homes. Biomass is an essential part of the energy mix and can play a substantial role in balancing fluctuations in different energy flows. However, at this moment, the functioning of the international biomass market is suboptimal. Create sustainable heat networks that combine with geothermal energy developments. Promote the creation of innovative SME networks at the interregional level. It is evident that at local scale, more and more people produce their own renewable energy, and in that way contribute to European climate change objectives. Energy transition is a two-way process. Development of interregional sustainable communities is needed. A top-down approach is essential for the alignment of energy systems, and a bottom-up approach is essential to the creation of local and regional energy dynamics.